Traders, welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. What we have seen, gold has slipped below from 40-50 levels and the bears are still starting to take control. The big question is, will gold crash towards 4000 or is a strong bounce just around the corner? In this video, I'll break down the key supports and resistance level, the most likely scenario over the next two trading sessions, and exactly what I'm watching before taking my next trade. If you trade gold, XAUUSD, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's jump straight into the charts. This is a 4 hour chart, as you can see looking at this particular chart. But before I explain you how the current scenario is moving, right now gold is trading around 40.30 to 40.33 level area on the 2 hours chart as well as on the 4 hours chart level. After rejecting the 4080 levels and 4100 resistance zone, sellers stepped in aggressively, creating a series of strong bearish selling pressure. Looking at both the 15 minutes and 2 hours chart, the price has broken recent swings low and now testing the critical 4030 levels. If I'll show you on this particular chart, you will see more clearly how it is moving. See, it has break this particular zone and came down continuously. If you see the 15 minutes chart also, you will see that the price has following a certain trend, and this is the particular trend. Breaking out of this zone, we have seen a fall continuous on the downside. Okay, now if you see on the technical chart, what we have seen, that if you I'll show you a 2 hour chart where you will see clearly how the price is moving. See, if you look at the 2 hour chart, we have seen the immediate support is coming at around 40.20 to 40.10. This is what you can see looking at this particular chart. This is the particular support, you can say, at 40.10 and at 40.10 and 40.20. This is what we can see support is coming. But if you see on a psychological level, we have seen a level of around 4000 is a very important level. So if it started falling below this particular level, because see there is a pattern has formed, after that there is a downfall. So 4000 is a very important level. If the price fall below this level, we can see directly a support at 3980. Okay, and this is a pattern will support downside, so chances will be high it will fall further low and it will touch a level of 3970 to a level of around 3943. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen. Now on the key resistance zone, but what you have to see, this is a opposite pattern and then upside, so chances are very high. If it started falling below this level, we can see a level of 40.20. Then if it keep falling below this level, chance of touching 40.10 will be there, and then we can see a level of 40.05. From these levels we can see a bounce, but if that didn't bounce back, it will fall further low towards 3980, which is also a very strong level. 4000 is a very psychological level, so you have to understand at these levels. But if we talk about the resistance zone, suppose if it sustain, we can see it can, if it started going over 40.36, chances are high. On the 2 hours chart, we can see a level of around 40.35 to a level of 40.39, and if it keep moving upside, a further upside can be seen. So the next level zone or the resistance is mostly coming at 40.50 to a level of 40.60. This is the resistance zone, you can say the immediate resistance zone. But if you see on a major resistance zone is around 40.80 to a level of 40.100. This is a main resistance zone. Okay, coming back on a day-wise chart where you'll understand more clearly how the price can move. But before I explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, on the daily chart we have seen there is a healthy correction after its strong rally what we have seen from this particular level. There is a continuous downfall we have seen, and if you see from this particular angle, we can see that the price is trading in this particular manner. Okay, so chances what you have to look here is that 40.50 to a level of 40.60 is a resistance, and a level of around 40.80 to a level of 4100, this is another resistance on an upside. But if you see what on the support side, we can see level 40.20 to 40.010 or 4000, and if it fall, a further another fall we can see. Now what you can see on the current basis, we have seen the market remains bearish over the next couple of trading sessions. However, if buyers can claim and hold above a level of 4060, there is a probability that strong momentum, but it should be have a strong momentum and volume that can weaken the bearish outlook but increase the probability of recovery towards higher resistance. Until then, rally may continue to attract selling interest. This is because the price is moving in this range for quite some time, and if you see on the technical chart also, this is the pattern. So the price has to sustain above a level of 4080, then only we can see there can be a further upside movement, otherwise we can see a downside. So if it keeps falling below a level of 4020, there is a probability of further downfall because this is the pattern forming. Okay, and the price is trying to go narrow. If you see from this particular angle, the price is trying to go narrow. Okay, so the price if tested 4020 to 4010, we can see a support area, but if we see that if it breaks a 4000 area, we can see a further downfall. But if the buyer defends support successfully, a relief towards 4050 to 4060 became possible. Okay, this is what we can see on a higher volatility zone. What you can see, if the bearish momentum accelerate towards 4000, fail to hold, then the next downside will be 3980, because this is what we can see looking at this chart, 3980, and from there we will see that it will come down further, fall towards 3950 also. Okay, and if it keep falling, a further downfall can be seen. Personally, I am waiting for either for the bearish rejection at or confirmation of a breakout before entering new position. Patience is far more important than chasing. You have to understand, I have clearly mentioned you the levels. Okay, and there is a pattern forming on upside. If the price sustain above 4114, a further high can be seen, but if it started falling below a level of 4020, a further fall can be seen to 983, and then a further fall can be there towards 3950, and then a further fall, because see, these are the important levels. Always protect your capital and never risk more than 1 to 2% in a particular trade. Always use proper stop loss placement. If you're trading on the short side, wait for confirmation rather than guessing the top. If you're looking to buy, let the market prove buyers are back before jumping in. Are you bullish or bearish on gold over the next 2 trading sessions? Drop your current position target in the comments. I read as many comments as I can. If you like this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more XAUUSD videos, silver and crude also. And there is a video for gold, crude and natural gas also on the channel. You can watch it. Thanks for watching. Trade smart, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next video.